MIM metal injection molding.
Many people have heard of it, but few people really understand it.
Its raw material is metal powder of several microns.
Several times thinner than hair. It is made into feed with binder and injected into the mold like plastic. Even the most complex shapes can be done at once. Degreasing and sintering, and the strength comes out. Many people think parts are machined, but it has been replaced by MIM.
Our clients are from all walks of life.
If your parts are processed slowly,
High cost and complex structure.
you can come to our new world. We can help you in one step.